Hello, today I will tell you about our experience in communicating with customers, how we improved the communication skills, and how we saved our time. So we wrote some scripts. The first problem was that customers are asking to solve their problem, like internet connection or communication between the client and server. And when we were asking him to provide us some outputs, it takes a little bit longer. So we decided to write a script for customer where he will put necessary information and it will form a report for us. Then we are opening report and understanding what is happening and where is the issue. So first I will provide you internet access. Yes, let's check it. So here is a script for internet access. It pings some Russian website, Yandex, and then it performs network interface configurations, provides us. Also shows us our table, route table, and trace route to the path, to the 4.8. Yes. So let's run it. Here we have it. Yes, it ran it, and now it forms some outputs. So it will form this file to send txt. Currently it's run it, and while it would be run, we will check another script. Yes. So let's read it. What it does it do? Yeah. Okay. So here we have. It's asking the server client IP address, port, then pings this IP, then it forms also interface configurations, ARP table, routing table, trace route, and also checks is this port available. This program port QRI, yes, port query, can be downloaded from official Microsoft website. So our Windows script finished working, yes, so we can open the report and see what it showed to us. So we see that it's pings Yandex.ru website. Also we see the interface network configurations. Also we see ARP table. From network interface configuration we can see do we have an IP address or not, is it correct or DNS, or is it correct route, yes, gateway, is it correct or not. Here you can see is it pingable or not. Then in ARP table we can see is it using correct gateway, yes, or it's an improper gateway by checking MAC address. In routing table we can see where the traffic should go and by which source interface should be used and so on. Also here we're checking the trace route and we can see here where it's blocked. For example, we will have here stars, we will see that this is last hop, yes, where we should check. And let's start now the second one. It asks us the IP address of the server, so let's put the for example, google.com and port 80. So for example, customer is saying that he cannot open google.com website. And he asks to check it. So we also created a script for Linux station. So let's check for internet access. Yes. So we have it. It's also pings Yandex.ru. It forms the interface configurations, ARP table, trace route, and route map. Yeah. So let's run it. Okay. So it ran it. While it's running, this one is still running. So okay, this one is finished. Let's check the report. What it will show us. So it is Notepad. So we see that google.com is pingable, interface configurations, gateway, DNS, ARP table, correct MAC address with the gateway, routing table, correct routing table, which source interface would be used. For the traffic, we are checking the trace route and also checking that google.com port 80 is listening. Yeah. So now let's go to the Linux station. Yes, it's already also formatted the report. So let's check. Here we have also that host is 100 packet lost because the gateway is blocking. Then we see the interface configurations, ARP table, that MAC address of the gateway is correct. And trace route where it's blocked, we see that on this host it's blocking. Yes, so we should go there and check the access lists or filtering rules and so on. Also, we have here routing table. So now we will check the communication test to the server. Also for communication test, just a moment. We are using Nmap, so it should be installed on Linux machine. The same things, but only difference that it's asking IP address of the server or client and port number. And also using Nmap, so it should be enabled, or you can change it to something else which you would like to check. By which utility you would like to check. So let's check, for example, google.com, yeah. Then port number 8 also, it's run it and checking. Just so while running, let me. Also to mention why we have created this script, because we are working with the customers, we are outsourcing their network with the servers and so on, IT outsourcing company. And customers are sometimes, don't want to provide a lot of information, don't want to communicate a lot, so we are just asking him to run the script and that's all. It takes about 1-2 minutes. He sends our report, where in the report we see all the issues, where is the issue and so on, and it saves our time, his headache, our headache, and so use it in your daily life, okay? So let's check with the same stuff here. Yeah, we have only difference in Nmap that it's also checked the port availability, and it's asking us the IP address of the server and the port of the server. So use it. I hope you would be happy by the scripts. Yes, provided the code of the script. And also subscribe our channel, press thumb up. And if you need something, if you want to, need some consultation, or you want to buy some devices around the world, you can call us and we will try to help you. So have a nice day, guys. See you in next video, where we'll tell you how to use Python for scripting and automation of the Linux or Cisco works. Bye.